More protection for pregnant women in the workforce. It's called the Pregnant Workers Fairness Act, and it requires employers to make reasonable accommodations for pregnant women and new mothers. News 2's My Owens takes a closer look at what expectant moms can ask for on the job.
Behind these doors is an entire community focused on one thing: pregnancy.
It really set in for me how privileged I was to have the experience that I had, and how much work needed to be done.
The nonprofit Homeland Hearts works to create a safe space for women, infants, and families of color. Some of the hardest hit group when it comes to infant and maternal mortality.
Being Black and being pregnant is the biggest thing. They're wanting to make it out alive. We know that their chances of not making it out alive are very high.
Too often, they see the struggles before and after birth, making workplace rights for mothers vital.
We are separating our mamas from their babies so early, and it's such a pivotal time. Like, this is the time when they should be bonding, should be breastfeeding, and these are the things that we know helps babies thrive.
Because Tennessee does not have any statewide paid sick time or paid family and medical leave protections, someone could actually endure bankruptcy or other economic crises when they have a baby.
Now the federal government is filling in the gap. This week, a new law went into effect requiring employers with at least 15 employees to give pregnant women more protections while on the job. It's called the Pregnant Workers Fairness Act.
Far too many workers, especially low-wage workers and those in physically demanding jobs, were being pushed out or even terminated from their jobs just because they needed an accommodation when they were working for their health.
The act will give reasonable accommodations like offering additional or longer breaks, a flexible work schedule, providing leave for medical appointments, and temporary transfers. Already, 30 states have their own pregnant worker protection laws. Tennessee is one of them.
So now if a worker has an issue, they can have access to the federal government agency enforcing their right.
Giving new and expecting mothers more legal options if they feel like they're not getting what they need at work. My Owens, News 2.